Hey gang, Miss Hairbrush here. I've got my great white shark drawing here, and it's time for you to draw it with me. You'll need a pencil with an eraser, important if you want to, erase things, a black marker or pen of some sort, a gray of some sort. You can have a light gray like this or a dark gray like this. Oh, and a blue pen for the very end. Start with your pencil and draw yourself a triangle guide that leans to the left, just like this. Then draw in the dorsal fin. You can use your pen at this part or keep using your pencil. Make sure that you keep this angle here and put some bumps on the left side like this, like a real shark. I'm using my practice drawing page to help you see how this drawing comes together. Now we'll draw the back. Make a dot about this far from the fin, just like that. Then just draw a line to connect the two. Perfect. And now the other side, which is shorter. 1 and 2 with a little fin. Okay, it's time for the tail, and the tail is a big deal. It has to be the right shape or it won't look like a shark, it'll look like a dolphin or something. So draw a dot at the top and then a nice smooth line to connect, just like that. Then add a dot at the bottom so you know where to stop, and one in the middle. If these dots don't help you, just skip it. And the corners on both ends are rounded, they're not pointy. Then back up, just like this, kind of looks like a big boomerang. The underneath looks just like the top, but there is an extra fin. Right here. All right. The pectoral fin is next. It's long, don't make it too short. Sharks have a lot of fins. It's like they live under the water or something. A nice fat nose and kind of a smiley face. But don't worry, he's still gonna look scary, not nice when we're done. Some nice sharp teeth, which changes it from a smile to a sneer, looking for his next meal. The nostril. And now one long smooth line down his whole body. Add 5 quick strokes like this for his gills. Easy. Now we're going to finish up with his eye. Make sure you give him a nasty eyebrow, because he's a hunter and he's looking for his next meal, which might be you. If you need to pause the video and catch up or go back to another part, you do that, because this is your drawing. And voila, he's done, except for the color, so let's do that. First, erase any pencil marks that you don't want. I have a small bowl of water because I am using watercolor brush pens, but you can use crayons or markers or colored pencils or whatever you have in your drawer. The first thing is coloring the top half of the shark and the pectoral fin in all gray. Do you know why the top half of a shark is gray and the bottom half is white? Because if you are a fish and you are swimming under the shark and you look up, it's bright up there and the shark is going to disappear because he's white. But if you're on top of the shark and you look down, he's gray like the rest of the water, and that is his camouflage. That is how he stays hidden. Hidden till you're bitten! There are more than 500 different types of sharks, which is hard to imagine, and they come in lots of shapes and sizes. This whale shark is the largest of them all, with a beautiful spotted pattern, and they are known for being gentle. And this is a zebra shark, even though it has spots and not stripes, and it spends most of its time on the ocean floor, and it is much smaller than the great white that we're drawing. And a favorite, one of my favorites, is the hammerhead, which is just so cool looking. Okay, looks pretty good. You are so close to being done. Remember that blue pen? Well, get it out. It's time to add some shading. Shading is where there would be a shadow. It makes round things look round, and it makes your whole drawing look more real. So just add some around the edges where it would be a little bit round like this. You can't mess this up, so don't worry about it. Here and there. And we are using blue because it makes it look like the shark is underwater. Last part, color in his nostril and in between his teeth. All done. You did great. See you next time. Have you ever seen a predator with underwater style? A sleek and gray torpedo gliding through the tide. He's a hunter, he's an animal, razor sharp teeth. He's the coolest of the cool, and he's tearing up the sea. Big, small, spots or stripes, he is the mega bite. Schooling all the fish, he is the dynamite. The ocean is his neighborhood, not coming up for air. Surf's up, buttercup, I'm getting out of here.